Okay, what's up traders? Welcome to this new video, and I'm your host Mark John. If you're new to this channel, please be sure to subscribe. And today's topic about three major market phases, and that is the downtrend, uptrend, and the ranging, which is also known as the consolidation phase. Okay, so let's start off with the downtrend. When we say the market is trending to the downside, is when the market is moving to the downside, and in making lower highs, and that's our lower high right here, and our lower low. And whenever price breaks the prior level, and that's when we make another lower high right here, just like what happens here. If the market breaks again the previous lower low and comes to retest the lower low, it makes another lower high and the lower low, and that's how it goes. When we talk about the downtrend, it's all about these higher lows, higher highs. Make sure that you identify the lower lows and the lower highs, and we move on to the uptrend. And when we say the market is trending to the upside, is when the market is moving to the moving to the upside, when the market is making the higher highs. And what we call the higher highs right here, this is what we call a high, and they are high low. So that's a terrible H right there. A high low, high. So that's how you define the difference between an uptrend and a downtrend. When the market is moving to the upside, to the uptrend, whenever price breaks previous high highs, it makes another high and high low. Whenever price breaks another high, it makes another high and another high low. Oh, so the question is, what makes up the high highs, high lows, lower highs, and lower lows? On a downtrend is when traders that went short, for example, from this zone right here, our lower high, and our lower low is down here. So traders who sold this market from this zone, when they start taking profits and buyers started coming in, and that's what makes up these lower lows. And if this level right here manages to hold, to make another lower high, and that's what actually makes up the lower lows and lower highs basically. So moving on to the range and consolidation market, is when price is not yet identifiable to say it's an uptrend or a downtrend. So the market will be trading sideways. And the price is undecided yet. So this is where most traders lose their money. So stay tuned. We'll do more videos on ranging, how to trade these ranges, how to trade the higher highs and the higher lows. So when price haven't decided yet, the market will higher highs and higher lows and lower lows are all the same. So that's when we say the market is ranging, trading sideways, no clear direction, and this is usually is not yet decided, and usually market will either break to this direction or fall back to this direction, continuing. If we're from a downtrend, the market will then fall. Thanks for watching. If you make it through the end of this video, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. Also, let me know in the comment section which topics should I cover, and goodbye.